Some motorcycles make a statement, others become legends. The name R100 carries serious weight in BMW's history, and now it's back. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're experiencing the 2026 BMW R100, a motorcycle that revives an iconic nameplate with modern capabilities that honor the original spirit. Design. The R100 celebrates heritage beautifully. Classic round headlight, flowing fuel tank lines, and that magnificent boxer engine protruding proudly define its character. Spoked wheels add authenticity, while subtle modern touches integrate seamlessly. Chrome accents and premium paint options enhance the timeless appeal. This motorcycle looks like it belongs in a museum, yet feels ready for daily adventures. Performance. The heart of the R100 beats with a refined boxer engine, delivering substantial torque across the power band. Acceleration feels effortless and deeply satisfying. The chassis provides stable, confidence-inspiring handling on varied road surfaces. Suspension tuning prioritizes comfort for longer rides without sacrificing feedback. This bike encourages exploration and rewards spirited riding equally. Features and technology. Modern technology hides beneath the classic exterior. A discreetly mounted display preserves aesthetics while delivering essential data. Selectable ride modes and cruise control add convenience. Comprehensive safety electronics work invisibly in the background. Keyless ignition and USB charging acknowledge contemporary expectations without disrupting the vintage atmosphere. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R100 masterfully balances nostalgia with modern expectations. It's heritage done right, respectful yet relevant. Does the R100 capture your imagination? Tell us below. Like this review, share it with classic bike enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more. Ride safe.